Welcome to release question number 85. It says, which fraction is equivalent to, we have the numerator as 3x divided by 5 and the denominator as x divided by 4 plus x divided by 2. So really we've got two separate problems to think of here. We've got this, or two separate things to think of. We've got this and this separately. We're trying to put it all together so that it looks like one of these four things. So how can we tackle this one? Well, first of all, I'm going to think about this and simplifying that part, the denominator of this part, which includes two fractions in the denominator. So to put those two things together, we could say this equals, we still have 3x over 5 on the top, but this equals, and then this we can combine together as long as we have common denominators, which we don't right now. But if I were to write it like this, and then I'll go with green here to show that I would multiply by 2 on the top and the bottom. I can multiply by the same thing divided by itself. It's like multiplying by 1. It's not going to change the number, just the way it looks. And so that would give me this instead, 3x over 5 divided by x over 4 plus 2x over 4. And now that that's the same, now I could put that together. I can combine like terms in the numerators and just leave the denominators the same. And so I would have 3x over 4 on the bottom. Now you just have one fraction divided by another fraction. Whenever we have that, it's the same as taking that top fraction, the numerator, and multiplying by the reciprocal. And so notice here what happens if you multiply these together. We could multiply them together and then reduce later, but I notice that 3x here is going to cross cancel with the 3x here. Not the same as cross multiplying. Cross canceling, we're just looking for things in one numerator and then another denominator somewhere else in the fractions that can cross each other out or cancel each other out. So 3x and 3x, the 3 can cancel the 3, the x. And so we just have on the top 4. It's just like 1 times 4 is what's left over, and 5 times 1 is what's left over down here. So we have 4 over 5, and that would be our final answer. Choice C for number 85.